Are you searching for the perfect 4K TV that actually delivers on quality, durability, and real value for your money? Whether you're in the USA or anywhere around the globe, choosing the right product can be confusing when there are so many options out there. In today's review, I'll break down the top 5 best 4K TVs in detail, covering its key features, build quality, performance, installation process, and the real pros and cons you should know before buying. My goal is to give you a clear idea of what makes this product stand out, what limitations it has, and whether it's truly worth your investment. So, if you've been thinking about upgrading or purchasing the best 4K TV, make sure you watch this video till the end. It will save you time, money, and help you make a smarter buying decision. And if you want to know the latest price or more details, check out the links in the description box below. Without any further delay, let's get started. Starting off our list with something impressive. Number 5 brings strong value for the money and a reputation that's hard to ignore. At number 5, Westinghouse 50-inch Smart Roku TV 4K UHD with Apple AirPlay, Alexa, and AMP Google Assistant. It's not just popular, it's practical and perfect for those who want dependable quality without breaking the bank. The Westinghouse 50-inch Smart Roku TV offers a stunning 4K ultra-high definition viewing experience that brings movies, shows, and games to life with vivid colors and crisp detail. Designed for ease and convenience, it integrates seamlessly with Apple AirPlay, Alexa, and Google Assistant, allowing you to stream content, control your smart home devices, and navigate apps with simple voice commands or your favorite devices. Its Roku platform provides access to thousands of streaming channels, making it simple to enjoy a wide variety of entertainment options without extra equipment. Users will appreciate the intuitive interface, quick app loading, and easy setup, which makes it ideal for both tech enthusiasts and casual viewers. The slim and modern design complements any living space, while the wide viewing angles and impressive picture quality enhance every room experience. On the positive side, this TV delivers excellent value for its size, features versatile smart capabilities, and supports multiple voice assistants for convenient control. On the downside, it may have limited advanced picture settings compared to premium models, and the built-in speakers might not provide the same depth as a dedicated sound system, so pairing with external audio could improve the overall experience. Despite these minor considerations, the Westinghouse 50-inch Smart Roku TV is a practical and stylish choice for a home entertainment upgrade, offering effortless streaming, smart integration, and reliable performance. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have TCL 55 and QM7K Series QD Mini LED 4K UHD Google Smart TV with Bang & Amp Olufsen Audio 2025, known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The TCL 55-inch QM7K Series QD Mini 4K UHD Google Smart TV delivers a remarkable home entertainment experience with ultra-vivid colors, deep contrast, and stunning clarity that makes every movie, show, and game feel immersive. Featuring the latest QD Mini LED technology, this TV offers precise brightness control and sharp image detail, bringing content to life with rich, true-to-life visuals. The built-in Google Smart TV platform allows seamless access to streaming apps, live TV, and smart home integration, making it easy to enjoy your favorite entertainment without extra devices. Bang & Amp Olufsen tuned audio ensures a premium sound experience, delivering clear dialogue, deep bass, and balanced acoustics, which enhances every viewing session without the need for additional speakers. Users will appreciate the sleek design, minimalist frame, and easy-to-use interface, which fit naturally into any living space. On the positive side, the TCL QM7K offers impressive picture quality, robust smart features, and superior built-in audio, creating an all-in-one entertainment solution. On the downside, some users may find the remote control slightly bulky, and advanced calibration options are limited compared to professional displays, which might be a consideration for home theater enthusiasts. Overall, it is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a premium user-friendly TV that combines cutting-edge visuals with integrated smart functionality. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're halfway there, and number 3 is truly something special. At number 3, Hisense 55 in U6 Series Mini 4K UHD SmartFire TV with Dolby Vision Game Mode Pro and Amp Atmos. It brings together durability, comfort, and style, making it a go-to choice for thousands of happy customers globally. The Hisense 55 in U6 Series Mini 4K UHD SmartFire TV delivers a truly immersive viewing experience with bright, vivid colors, deep contrast, and razor-sharp clarity that enhances every movie, show, and gaming session. Its mini-LED QLED technology provides precise brightness control and exceptional detail, making every scene feel lifelike and dynamic. With built-in Fire TV, accessing streaming apps, live channels, and smart home features is seamless, allowing you to enjoy entertainment and manage connected devices with ease. Dolby Vision ensures stunning visual quality, while Game Mode Pro reduces lag and improves responsiveness for a smoother, more enjoyable gaming experience. The integrated Dolby Atmos sound delivers rich, immersive audio, creating a cinematic experience without the need for extra speakers. Users will appreciate the sleek design, intuitive interface, and energy-efficient performance, making it a practical choice for any living space. On the positive side, the Hisense UU6 series offers exceptional picture quality, advanced gaming features, and premium sound in one accessible package. On the downside, some users may find that app navigation can be slightly slower compared to other smart platforms, and extreme calibration options are limited for professional users seeking full customization. Overall, it is a versatile high-performance TV that balances visual excellence with smart features for an enjoyable home entertainment setup. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. All right, we're getting close to the top. And this next one could easily be number 1 for many people. Taking the second spot at number 2, Amazon Fire TV 55-inch 4K UHD picture quality smart television for streaming without cable. Premium build, next-level performance, and user satisfaction that speaks for itself. The Amazon Fire TV 55-inch 4K UHD smart television offers a modern entertainment experience with stunning picture quality, vibrant colors, and crisp detail that brings movies, shows, and sports to life. Its smart platform allows seamless access to popular streaming services without the need for cable, making it easy to enjoy on-demand content, live channels, and apps all in one place. Built-in Alexa voice control adds convenience by letting you search for content, adjust settings, and control compatible smart home devices hands-free. The sleek, slim design fits effortlessly into any living room or bedroom setup, while the intuitive interface ensures a user-friendly experience for viewers of all ages. On the positive side, this TV delivers excellent picture quality, easy streaming setup, and versatile smart features for everyday use, making it ideal for families, gamers, and streaming enthusiasts alike. On the downside, some users may notice occasional lag when switching between apps, and audio output may feel less robust without an external sound system. Despite these minor limitations, the Amazon Fire TV 55-inch remains a highly practical and enjoyable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system with reliable 4K performance and smart streaming functionality. It combines ease of use, accessibility, and visual appeal in a single package that enhances everyday viewing. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And now the moment you've been waiting for, the one that truly deserves the top spot. At number 1, Samsung 65-inch QLED Q7F Series Smart TV 2025 model with Quantum HDR and AI processor. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who values quality, reliability, and real-world excellence. No wonder it's the top-rated product this year. The Samsung 65-inch QLED Q7F Series Smart TV 2025 model delivers an exceptional home viewing experience with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp contrast thanks to quantum HDR and its advanced AI processor, which optimizes every scene for lifelike detail and smooth motion. This smart television provides effortless access to streaming apps, live TV, and on-demand content, making it ideal for families, binge watchers, and gamers seeking a premium entertainment setup. Voice control and smart home integration allow you to navigate menus, adjust settings, and manage compatible devices without lifting a finger, adding convenience to everyday use. The sleek minimalist design fits seamlessly into any living space, offering a cinematic feel without taking up excessive room. On the positive side, the Samsung Q7F series offers outstanding picture quality, intuitive smart features, and reliable performance for daily viewing, making it a strong choice for those who value clarity and versatility. On the downside, some users may find the remote requires frequent pairing with multiple devices, and full utilization of AI features may need occasional software updates. Despite these minor points, this television remains a highly appealing option for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment with cutting-edge technology and stunning visual performance. It combines style, usability, and premium features in a single package that enhances everyday enjoyment and makes every viewing session engaging. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel NextGen Picks for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next